Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in emails for Bitrix24. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to add a professional touch to your communications and streamline your document signing process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and head over to Bitrix24.com. This is your main hub for accessing all the powerful features that Bitrix24 offers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as this will give you access to all the tools and settings you need to create your email signature. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where you'll find various options and features to manage your account. From this panel, click on e-signature. This section is specifically designed to help you create and manage digital signatures that can be used across your emails and documents. It's a powerful tool for maintaining professionalism and ensuring your communications are properly authenticated. Once you're in the e-signature section, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed with creating your signature. This action will initiate the signature creation process and guide you through the necessary steps to set everything up properly. Now comes the customization part. You'll notice that you have the option to attach files to your signature. This is particularly useful if you want to include additional documentation or visual elements. You can attach files such as image.jpg, PDF, or Word documents. This flexibility allows you to create a comprehensive signature that includes all the relevant information and materials you want to share with your recipients. Once you've attached any files you need, click Continue to move forward. At this point, the system will prompt you to provide the necessary information for your signature. This typically includes details like your name, job title, contact information, and any other relevant details that should appear in your email signature. Take your time to fill out all the required fields accurately, as this information will be visible to everyone who receives your emails. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted professionally. After you've entered all the necessary information and double-check that everything looks good, click Continue once more. This final step will save your signature settings and make it active for use in your Bitrix24 emails. Your signature is now ready to go, and it will automatically appear in your outgoing messages, giving them a polished and professional appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email signature in Bitrix24. This simple addition can significantly enhance the professionalism of your communications and make it easier for recipients to contact you or access important documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.